Part 3 of the Hilux Respray, and tomorrow is a big day because I'm finally taking it to work to get some colour on it. I've finished the majority of my prep, only got a couple little areas to go that I'm actually going to do at work. I haven't actually done around these window frames yet. When I get it to work, I'm going to take these rubbers out and then I'll finish prepping around there. Got some chips I'm knifing up on the go. Still got the bonnet scoop to prep. Possibly the flares. We're going to check the colour on the flares to see if we want to paint them or not. I was working in about a 3-week window, but sadly had some problems with my SS and that is no longer on the road. So I've had to speed up the process a lot by doing a lot of work after hours, working all day and coming home after work and doing a lot on the Hilux. I'm super excited to finally get it to work and get some colour on it. See you there. Here it is. The Hilux has officially made it to my work and we're ready to start the last step of the respray. Got those last few areas to finish off before we start masking it up and of course the parts, but the excitement levels are definitely building towards the day ahead. Very excited to get some color on it and get it back on the road. So let's get started. First thing I'm doing here is removing the door rubbers. Otherwise, I would end up with nasty paint edges. This will give me a much cleaner and nicer end result. Same brand as the primer I used, the Hilux will be getting its fresh 040 white in De Beer. As you can see here, I have some help. This is my good mate Mitch. He's a painter by trade and we did our apprenticeships together. I pretty much just try to keep up with him while masking. He is that quick. I would have been masking the Hilux well into the night without his help. The Hilux is now all masked up and ready for its fresh coat of paint. I got out of Mitch's way and started prepping the remaining parts. He's given the panels one last wipe down for any dirt using a tack rag. I'm going to leave the first coat of paint unedited so you can witness and enjoy the Pro Sheen in action as he lays down the fresh white on the Hilux. It looks so good already, but no time to admire the Hilux just yet. We quickly unmask the car to get it out of the booth and the parts in. With a quick prep sol, they're now ready for their fresh coat of paint. How good is this? The Hilux is looking like brand new again with its fresh coat of paint. I'm super stoked with how it turned out, and I honestly can't believe I've done this in a 2-week span. I had my good mate Mitch, he painted it for me, and without him, there's just no chance I could have had this done. He's an absolute bloody legend for doing this for me. Just finished off bolting a couple of little bits and pieces back onto the car, and now I'm gonna get it home so I can finish the fit up.